Hello my wonderful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I do a video you will be notified. Here I'll be teaching you how to make this good looking fancy ladies bag that you are seeing on the screen. Here are the materials needed. You need your design leather, your suit lining, your fiber board, your chip board, your fastening or logo, your chain holder, your bag stand, your magnetic lock, your energy gun, foreign Marco 2. Now we start. Your flip is 4 inch, top is 2 inch, back is 5.5, base is 4 inch, your front as well is 5.5 by 9 inch. You have to decrease your top by half inch from the both side and slant it from the top to the back, and decrease your front half inch both side from the front and slant it to the end of the watch, the front that is going to be facing the watch, the base. Then cut it off, cut it into shape. You can see the way, you can see that we haven't designed our what is it called, our flap. So now you have to cut it into shape. Then once you are done cutting, you fold it the way I am folding mine. So you use your ruler to shape it out, then fold it and shape your flap the way I'm shaping mine. Then once you are done shaping, you do it the same way to get the other side, because I don't want this video to be too lengthy. Then you cut it off and cut the other side off as well. Once you are done with that, then you divide your flap into two, vertical and horizontal. If you divide it into two, then the half of the flap is 2 inch. Then the way I'm measuring it, I want to get the half. Now it has been shaped, so it's not going to up to 9 anymore. Then from the middle center line, you measure 1.25, 1.25, and to the other side 1.25. So from the first point to the third one, from the first line to the third line, you can see that your measurement will be what, 2.5 inch. So that's how we want to shape it. Then make use of your ruler to join it from the 2.5 to the what, to the 2 inch of the half of your what, half of the breadth of your what, your flap. Then after that you cut it off. It has been cut off now. You can see that our chipboard has been shaped out. Then you transfer it to your fiber board, and see, as simple as that. Then you fold it so you can get exact shape, and cut it into shape. Now you decrease your chipboard by quarter. Then this is our fiber board on our leather, because our fiber board is meant for our leather. We are going to fold it inside. Once it's dry, you paste it on it. Then you apply gum on your fiber board where you cut your leather will lapse on, and then you cut it out into shape. You start folding, but be careful when you are folding. Fold it and neat as it is. Let it be neat as you can. Follow the process. Follow the step. Then you cut it off. Then this is our chipboard and is meant for our lining. For the inner of our bag, the fiber board is the leather, the outer leather. Apply gum on your chipboard. But remember, we are only meant to apply gum on our chipboard, not our lining. Not our lining. It's only meant, the gum is only meant to be applied on our chipboard. Once it's dry, we lay it on our lining. Then now we can apply gum both our lining and our chipboard. Once we are done cutting it out, we fold it as well. Follow the process. The way we fold our leather, that's actually the way we are going to fold our lining as well. Then now we want to fix our bag stand. From the vertical and the horizontal of your, both the vertical and horizontal of your base, measure 3/4. Then once you measure 3/4, then you perforate a hole and lay it in. What are you laying in? Is your bag stand, so that once you put your bag on the floor, the bag stand will prevent it to be dirty. Even though you are doing white bag, if you can do it this way, then now we have to fix our fancy. Some people call it fancy, some people call it logo. So you can call it anyone you feel like calling it, depending on your area where they are selling it. You can see, put it on top, then mark the line. Then after that, you perforate a hole. Sometimes I make use of my awl to perforate a hole. You can see that's what I'm making use. I make use of my awl. Some people call it shuka. On leather work we call it awl, AWL. Then now we have to lay our logo on the other side. The next step is to fix our magnetic lock on our line. And remember, you actually know the reason why I'm cutting SS fireboard. You know that because I actually explained in the first video, so that you know the chipboard is very light, so that it's not going to damage it. So that's the essence of the fireboard. Now we have to get our side. We are using the measurement for our base and back. Our back is 5.5, our base is 4 inch. And for the base, we have to add 1 inch to it, making it 5. So our measurement will be 5 by 5.5. So your breadth that is 5 inch, you are now going to decrease half inch from the both sides. So half inch vertical and horizontal. Then you make use of your ruler to join it. Then after that, you get half of your what? Half of the 5 is 2.5. 1.25 from the right and left. Then you slant it from, so it's 2.5. You are going to slant it. You can see it now. Then you cut it out. That's how you are going to get your side. Then you duplicate it. You are using chipboard for our sides. So for the lining on, the half inch that is under, it won't show. You will see the lining won't have the arc that the leather has, because they are working differently. They have different work. So you place it on your leather and apply gum on your leather. After cutting out the chipboard, we are using chipboard for our leather and chipboard for our line. You can see the way it was cut here, the arc, but our lining won't have this kind of arc. You can see the lining did not have any arc. It was cut straight. Then you have to decrease it by half inch. The line, you have to decrease it on the top half inch. And after that, you cut it and fold your lining the normal way you're supposed to fold it. But the way we are going to fold our leather is going to be way different from the way we fold our lining. You can see those are the area where you are meant to be fold, the arc and the top. But your line, you have to fold it round because it is your lining. Then you measure 1 inch from the top and do it to the other side as well. Then find the half of it and perforate a hole. Then fix your rivet to hold your chain holder. Then hammer it the way it was done here. Do it to the same size. Then apply your gum. Lay it on it. On the front area, make use of your shoe glue to hold it. We are not sewing it. This is totally gum work. Now we are going to fix our side, but before that, we have to cut our handle. Measurement for our handle, the material is going to be 3 by 12 inch. The foreign Marco 2 is going to be 8 by 1.5 inch. Then we have to apply our gum because the handle has to be wrapped. Place your Marco on it, wait for it to dry, then you start folding it. After folding it this way, then you apply your shoe glue and fold it again. make use of your shoe glue, but be careful with your hand because it can damage your skin. Once done, you can fix it on your leather. Your top is the area where you're going to fix your handle. The measurement is what? 1.5 inch from the both sides. Then after that, you measure 3/4. Then you perforate a hole. Then you can put your what? Your handle inside. Then I'm making use of my shoe glue. You can actually make use of your energy gum, but I'm using my shoe glue because that's what I feel like using. Then after that, you have to gum it. We are almost done. Apply gum on your main body. Very well. And then apply gum on your chipboard. I'm so sorry I didn't show you the clip for the way I fix my sides. I'm deeply sorry, but on check my first video on how to make this fancy bag. It was shown there. Please check, it wasn't intentional. So I start the joining from my front. So you can start from your flap or your front, but I'm starting mine from my front. Although don't forget I've include my polythene bag to the front of my chipboard. Then you gum it gently, and you have to be very careful. Then we have to fix the other side of our magnetic lock. Make use of your marking pen, put it the area that I'm putting it, and fold it so we can get the other side of our magnetic lock. Then open it, and then both sides, make use of your marking pen the way it was done. Then perforate a hole. To the other side, to the both sides rather. Perforate a hole to the both sides. Then input your your magnetic lock. Then put your washer in it. Then lock it. Then now you can now gum it fully. I mean fully gum it. It's going to last. The shoe glue. So these are finishing departments. This is the finishing department. You can see the way it looks. You can see the side, the back. There is no allowance left behind. The shoe glue have closed it all. You can see it. You can see the finishing, the way it comes out. It's good. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share, then turn on your notification button so anytime I drop video you will be notified.